Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Blink Video Doorbell, quick guide step by step clearly. Start by unboxing your Blink Video Doorbell and checking the included components. Make sure you have the doorbell, mounting bracket, screws, and batteries ready. Download the Blink app from your device's app store. Create a Blink account or log in if you already have one. Open the Blink app and tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select Video Doorbell from the list of available devices. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect the doorbell to your home Wi-Fi network. When prompted, scan the QR code displayed in the app using your doorbell's camera. Once connected, choose a location for your doorbell within the app for easy identification. Next, prepare the mounting area by ensuring it's clean and dry. Use the provided mounting bracket to mark screw holes on your wall. Drill pilot holes into the marked spots if necessary. Attach the mounting bracket to the wall using the provided screws. Insert the batteries into your Blink Video Doorbell. Align the doorbell with the mounting bracket and press it firmly until it clicks into place. Perform a quick test to ensure it's functioning by pressing the doorbell button. Adjust settings within the app, such as notifications and sensitivity, to customize your experience. Lastly, check the live feed and recording settings to ensure everything is set up correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.